welcome back to the channel. So as you guys seen on the thumbnail, this is the final on my 69 Nova from, I was gonna say AMT, but it's not AMT. This is a Revell. So, and I must say that Revell kit, it's a lot better than AMT, and I do have an AMT, as you guys know on my previous videos. But I'm gonna show you guys my final on it, and because it's a rough kit, definitely a glue bomb, and I did the best I could to make it look like it's a daily driver, that someone that's working on it. And I think I did pretty good, and I hope you guys like it. There's a little bit of twist on this kit, so if you stay to the end of the video, I will show you guys what I did to it, and I really hope you guys like the creativity that I did with it, because there were some missing parts, and as I go along I might just add things to it, just so that you guys can see, oh hey, I did this today, or I did that today. But for now, this is how it sits, and this is how it's gonna stay. And I'm gonna go through my decals and start adding just extra decals here and there, and go from there. So alright, if this is the first time you watching this video and watching my channel, I invite you to go check out my other videos and see what I got going on, and what my channel it's all about, or the garage. So here we go. What do you guys think? It's in primer, just plain simple primer. If you guys seen my other video, the interior is done. If you guys remember, I had issues with the hood. It's there, and I don't have the grill pieces, or not grill, but the hood pieces that go here. But my friend William is gonna send those to me when he gets a chance, so it's not a big deal. Hey, it's still a work in progress. I painted, spray can the grill. I used the chrome paint. I think it's Rust-Oleum chrome, and I chromed the grill, the bumper, and as you guys know, I was looking for some steel wheels, but I couldn't find anything that fits though, so I didn't really like that style of wheel, but it's gonna stay like that for right now. I shaved off the side markers, front and back. Shaved off the door handle, and I was gonna shave off the door handle, or I shaved off the door lock, but I was gonna shave the door handles too, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait. If I find some decent door handles, I'll just put them on. And same thing with the other side. Again, it's work in progress. It doesn't sit right as much as it's perfect down here. It's perfect, but it's just, I'm not sure if the body is warped or the chassis is warped. I'm not sure, but that's why I wasn't too worried about painting it, making it look like a shelf queen. So paint anything underneath the hood, and the engine still the same. I still gotta look for air filter, and everything is pretty much done. So before I go, I'm gonna show you guys something that this is where my creativity comes into play. So because this kit was missing a few parts, if you guys remember back in the, I'll say the 70s or 60s, if you wanted to race the back end, we had air shocks. I don't know if you guys remember the air shocks. You would just walk around towards the back and it'd be a nozzle, and then just put some air into the shocks and you will race the whole back end, right? So I went to rotate the wheels on my wife's car, and while I was there, my son goes, "Hey, let's just look for some treasures." What the heck is that? Well, just walking around getting, stuff like this. For him, it's treasures. I'm like, okay, cool. It's, you do you, man. So he's picking up a whole bunch of stuff, and he picked up some parts or some tire pieces, and my brain a light bulb just went on, and I was like, hey, I could use this. So this car didn't have any rear shocks, and as you can see, let's see if it'll focus. You see those are metal shocks. They're air shocks. Well, they're not air shocks. I call them air shocks. There you go. See that one there, and then that one there. No, if you go this way. Come on, focus. There you go. It plays the part, right? You're gonna wonder, what the heck is that? So that, it's this. And what is that? Some of you guys might know. You might say, oh, what the heck? So this is what goes inside here when you put your air. It's your stem or your valve. So my son was picking up a whole bunch of these valves, and I was like, hey, that looks like a air shock. The scale air shock. So what do? Glue them onto the bottom of it, and there you go. I got me some shocks and plays the part. So that's pretty much it. That's how this 69 Nova is going to stay for now, at least until I come up with a better suspension, a better rear end, or find a way to fix that, whatever that is. I'm thinking about just getting some blocks and just race the whole back end and really make it look like it's got some break to it. But right now, it's a daily beat up car, and it's gonna stay like that for a while. So, all right, I'm already on 8 minutes. So. Thanks for stopping by again, and I will see you guys on the next one. Oh, if you guys want any shop carts, just let me know. Shoot me an email. I'll send one out to you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you on the next one. Happy modeling.